Are you looking forward to recover TikTok streak? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily recover the TikTok streak. First thing first, move into your application TikTok. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, now head over to your inbox section at the bottom of the screen. After that, move into the inbox of the person that you want to recover the streak with. Let's say you want to recover the streak with this person. Well, if the streak has been removed by the TikTok, then you should get the notification of restore your streak within 24 hours. Or it might give you within 43 or 42 hours. If you see that option, then immediately click on it. This interface will appear on your screen. Simply click on restore at the bottom of the screen. After that, your streaks will be restored successfully. But if you have used this option too many times, then you might not be able to see this option anymore. In that case, it is impossible to restore the streak. So make sure to maintain consistency while sending the TikTok. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.